Okay, good morning. We are going to finish our flag visualization story problem. And Nolan Bruns is not allowed to talk because he says offensive things sometimes during our videos. So Nolan is not allowed to talk as we proceed with this video. That is just for you, Mason. Okay, so we labeled on Friday the dimensions of the flag, and we came up with 21 by 14. Now, let's look at question B. It says, when Lauren finishes coloring her flag, she wants to decorate it even more. She wants to place a 1 centimeter purple ribbon around the border of the flag. How much ribbon will she need to place around the entire flag border? So, what is a math vocabulary term that Lauren can use to help her determine the amount of ribbon that she needs to put around the outside of her flag? Yes. Connor? Perimeter. She needs to find the perimeter. Now, I do just want to have, as Max would say, a big brain moment, and I want to think for a minute about what this actually looks like. And this is why we sometimes do a visualization problem, because what it looks like is often different than our math brain is thinking, okay? So, let's take a moment and look at the purple ribbon. If each one of these is a centimeter long, how much purple ribbon is needed for this side? Avery? 21 centimeters. Okay, now, keeping that in mind, we've already covered this square, right? How much purple ribbon do I need for this side? Lucy?
14.
Well, I already have covered this square with this piece of ribbon, right? So do I really need 14? Mia?
13.
I could cover from here to here with 13. Do you see what I'm saying? You really don't have to have 14 centimeters of ribbon here because you already covered this piece with ribbon, right? And the ribbon is how thick? 1 centimeter. So it's covering this whole box. So I do need 14 on this side, but how much do I need on this side? Lucy? I really only need 13 on this side because this is already covered, right? So now, this is already covered, right? With my 13, so how many centimeters of ribbon do I need over here? Brady?
20.
20. And then now, this is already covered, and this is already covered, right?
Yeah.
Nolan Burks, we're not letting Nolan Bruns talk. Nolan Burks, are you with me?
Yeah.
So how many centimeters of ribbon do I need for this side?
Probably 14 or 13.
Not 14. We already said this one is already covered because of this piece of ribbon, and this one is already covered because of this piece of ribbon. So Nolan, how many do I need?
12.
12. Okay, so what is the least amount of ribbon that Lauren could use to cover her entire, to put it around the entire outside of the flag? Nolan, or Noah?
12 by 14.
No. We just counted it out. How many centimeters does she need? Everyone should be adding these numbers. How many centimeters does she need? Claire?
66.
Okay, 20 plus 14 is 34, plus 13 is 44, plus 3 is 47, plus 12 is 57, 58, 59. Do you understand why she really could get away with 59 centimeters of ribbon? Why? Who can put it into good words for me? Who can put that into good words? Why does she really only need 59 centimeters of ribbon? Harper. because she doesn't have to cover the corners twice. So it's not truly the perimeter if you're really looking at the amount of material that you would need to cover it. Because the ribbon is 1 centimeter thick, it's not truly the perimeter. Because what is the perimeter of our flag? What is the perimeter of our flag? You should have this figured out, Sam.
I got it wrong.
What's the perimeter of our flag? You got the perimeter wrong?
Yeah.
What's the perimeter of our flag? Nolan? Oh, nope, can't call in Nolan. Macy, what's the perimeter of our flag? 70. The perimeter is 70. Okay, so I think we should probably just put a little explanation there. Did I add this right? Because it shouldn't seem like it's that far off. It should only be, it should be, yeah, that's where we messed up. This should be 21. That should be 21. Did you tell me?
I had that.
Well, that's we all had that. We all had that. Well, nobody told me. Okay, so we need more than 59. So we need 21 centimeters along the bottom, 13 along the side, 20 along the top, and 12 along the side. That gives us 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6. That makes much more sense. 66, because we don't, good, because we don't have to count the corners twice. We don't need to cover the corners twice. Now, so we did not truly find the perimeter. We didn't find the perimeter. The perimeter is 70. Okay, if you used 70 centimeters of ribbon, you would really be covering each corner 2 times. Okay, and then I think the last one's easy. As Lauren examines her flag, she wants her flag to shine. Lauren decides to put a thin layer of glue over the entire flag and 1 centimeter purple border. So she's doing the whole flag and the border, and she's covering the whole thing in glue, and she's sprinkling glitter over it. How many square centimeters of her flag has glitter? Are we going to find the area or the perimeter? Area. Not the R, the area. So what is the area? How many square centimeters is she going to cover with glitter? Anika?
She's gonna cover.
How do we find the area of the flag? Brady?
Multiply 21 by 14 equals 294.
That's exactly what I have. So 294 square centimeters of the flag will be covered with glitter. Okay, so are there questions about that? Do you think that drawing a picture helps you to visualize the problem and see why she only needs 66 centimeters of ribbon and not 70?